If you've ever wondered how to change Grammarly to British English, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch Grammarly's language setting to British English using both the browser extension and the desktop app on Windows and Mac. This is really useful if you want Grammarly to check your spelling, punctuation, and grammar in British English instead of American English. So if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the browser extension method. Once you have Grammarly installed in your browser, go to the top right corner of your browser window and click the Grammarly extension icon. This opens the pop-up menu where Grammarly shows your current settings and writing options. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the pop-up. You may need to move past a few options before you see the language settings. At the bottom, look for the drop-down menu that says I write in. Click that drop-down and you'll see a list of language options. Now select British English. As soon as you choose it, Grammarly will update its spelling and writing suggestions to match British English conventions. That means words like colour, favourite, and organise will be treated the British way instead of the American way. Now let's move on to the desktop app method for Grammarly on Windows and Mac. If you use Grammarly for desktop, the process is just as simple. On Windows, go to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. On Mac, look up at the menu bar in the top right corner. Find the Grammarly icon, then right-click it to open the menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Grammarly settings window where you can customize your writing preferences. In the settings menu, look for the I Write In drop-down. Once you find it, click the drop-down and change the language to British English. After that, Grammarly will start using British English across your desktop writing experience. If you don't see the changes right away, just give it a moment or restart the app if needed. It's also a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct Grammarly product, since the browser extension and desktop app have slightly different settings locations. But once you set it to British English, Grammarly should stay on that preference until you change it again. So to quickly recap, for the browser extension, click the Grammarly icon, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up, open the I Write In drop-down and select British English. For the desktop app, right-click the Grammarly icon in the tray or menu bar, open Settings, and change the I Write In drop-down to British English. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.